Grab a drill. One more time. Don't copy this, man. Don't follow me, don't do this. But I always want to clean that, so. Real quick. Dang, hold on, I can't see nothing. If you guys need these door lights, man, before the video start, you know I got you. All you gotta do is go to the link in the description down below. You got a Chrysler 300, man. You need some of these. There's no reason why you shouldn't have these, man. But you know I gotta advertise my own stuff, man, my own product, man. But I appreciate you guys watching the video, man. I appreciate you, all that. But if you need some lights, man, hit me up for sure. But let's start the video. Yeah, so we gotta change that. But anyway, man, the reason why, I'm gonna go real quick. The reason why I bought Chrysler stock is called Stellantis. This is gonna be a little plug, man. You know, usually I don't do like affiliate like stuff outside of Amazon, but if you guys sign up for Webull, you put in $100, you buy some stocks or whatever, I get a free stock or one or two, and then you get 2 free stocks. So there'll be a link in the description down below if you want to sign up and do something, you know, all that type of stuff or whatever. But this is not like investment advice. I'm not like a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. This is just stuff that I do, and I lose money at it the majority of the time. Sometimes I make money, but I do it for the fun. You know, I do it for like the chase and the gamble and just, you know, just because it's cool, right? So I bought Chrysler stock, right? The reason being is because just me personally, the way I buy stock is I buy stock in, like I buy good, you know, tips and all that shit or whatever, but I also buy stock just for fun and my leisure from companies that I support. So like Nike, hold on, let me show you. Like I'll show you real quick. I ain't gonna show you my stock or whatever, but I rock with Nike. I got a whole bunch of Nike shoes. You know, I wear Jordans. The reason why oh, you don't know about these. If you do, comment down below. So I buy Jordans, and like I've always bought Jordans. I've always been into shoes. So I'm like, why wouldn't I support Nike? Like, why shouldn't I have some stock in Nike? So I buy stock in Nike just because I support the company. It's a huge company. I don't feel like it's going anywhere, and it's just cool to have. Instead of, you know, also, let me show you another one. I support Apple. I got stock, hold on, my phone trying to, hold on with you. All right. Yeah, so I support Apple just because it's a pretty cool company. It seems like a good thing to do. And I support their products. So I got stock in Apple. Same thing with, man, my garage is dirty, man. Don't be judging me, man. I still got to do a whole bunch of stuff. I want to do something to the bottom, but I'm still working on some things. But I support Netflix. It was one time, like when Netflix first came out, I know you guys can't see that. Like I got a bend low and all shit. This camera whack. I ain't gonna lie. This is the updated Canon G7X Mark III, but the zoom and the zoom is whack. It's super slow, and like the focus is dumb. Like it's so out of focus, man. That's why honestly, that's why I don't make a lot of videos. Like this video right here that I'm making right now, no lie, I've recorded this at least 10 times over the last like 2 weeks. 2 weeks. But I didn't like the footage. Like right now, it's like moving around. It's probably out of focus. It's probably like shaky or whatever, but it's just not a good camera. So I'm gonna get something else. But you guys gotta rock with me, man. I bought this like 3 months ago, and it was $750 plus tax, over $800. So I'm gonna get my use out of it. But just know, man, the camera quality is gonna get better because I don't like it, man. It's just whack. That's why I don't make a lot of videos, man, because I look at them and then it's like, you know, it's just not good. It's not what I want to see, and it's like, man, I wouldn't watch that. Like I don't want to, but I still be wanting to put stuff out, you know. But it's like I just got to record it like 20 times before I feel confident enough, or just thinking like, F it, I'm gonna just put it out. But anyway, let's go back into it, man. Same thing with Netflix. It was one time at Netflix when it first came out. I used to watch Netflix every day. Like, you know, when I was just, I think it was college time or right after college or something. But Netflix was like, you know, you cutting the cord and, you know, just watch movies and, you know, something like that. When it first come on, it's like you got to catch up. You know, it's not like they released like one show a day or whatever. When Netflix came on, it was like you had access to everything. It was like all the movies, you know. So at that time, Netflix was crazy low, and Redbox was getting blah blah, Blockbuster blah 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 blah. So I started getting stock in Netflix. What else? And the reason, all right, I'll just tell you why. The reason why I do that is because, one, I already told you earlier, I rock with the company. Two, like I said, I already bought Chrysler 300 stock, Chrysler stock. It's called Stellantis or something like that. You guys do your research or whatever. It used to be something else, but they changed, bought a company and blah, blah, blah. So now the name is Stellantis. But the reason why I got stock in the 300 is like, man, I'm over here making videos in this car. Like I'm over here like posting stuff. I'm over here posting pictures on Instagram. Follow me at Mr. 300 on YouTube. I'm making videos on YouTube when I'm doing all this different stuff about it, man. I'm pretty much a walking billboard making, you know, videos on it. Like, why wouldn't I be part of the success of the company if, you know, we over here promoting it, you know? So that's why I do the things that I do with the stocks, because it's like the iPhone. People see me, I got an iPhone. I'm a walking billboard. I might as well take some of the profit when the company does well if I'm part of the reason why the company is doing well. Same thing with Nike, Jordans. Instead of me just being like, I don't wear shirts with logos or anything, but anything that people can identify and I don't care about it, I try to buy stock in that, because it's like, all right, if I'm gonna make this popular and spend my money, my hundreds, I might as well get a piece of the company, and so I feel like an owner and I don't feel so bad buying this expensive ass shit that I really don't need. But also, when it does well, I feel like I'm a part of it and I actually get some of the financial benefits. Like I said, man, this isn't like advice, financial advice or anything like that, but I'm just telling you why I bought Chrysler 300 stock. And even doper, hold on, let me show you something real quick. I'm not trying to edit this video. That's why I'm not showing myself a lot, man, because that's when they go out of focus. The camera, I guess, just don't like me or something, I don't know. But, hold up. I'm gonna show you when I'm going to buy Chrysler stock, like how often I'm gonna do it and all that stuff or whatever. And this is all because of you, man. I appreciate you guys. Keep rocking, keep watching them ads or whatever. But this is my, and I'm gonna be transparent, man, because you know, YouTube is just, I don't know, it's like a fun thing to do. And I always wanted to know like what people made and what happens behind the scenes before I got there and blah, all that, man. So I'll be trying to show you guys more than other people would show, you know. But anyway, this is my channel. This is like the dashboard of YouTube. And down here, you can see my estimated revenue for the month, or since I've been monetized or whatever, is $46. So anytime that I get some money from YouTube from posting videos of the 300, and you know, my revenue goes up or whatever, I haven't gotten paid yet, but I know eventually I'm going to get paid. So once that amount goes up, I'm going to buy stock in the Chrysler stock or whatever. I keep saying Chrysler 300 stock, but that was just a clickbait, you guys, man, no lie. But let's keep it going, man. So every time my YouTube revenue goes up, and I think the stock is like $16, $17, I'm going to buy another stock. So right now I got one stock in Webull. Let me show you guys, man, because I know some people be like, I know some people be trying to like, I don't know, both sides. People be lying, who be making videos sometimes, I guess. I don't be tripping because I know it's just all entertainment, but then also some people be liking, like I guess I would like to know, you know, like all this stuff. Hold on, let me put it down. Like I told you guys, man, this camera zoom, or not zoom, the focus is trash. But anyway, hold on, let me show you real quick. There we go, man. I hope you guys can see it. But anyway, it's one stock. I'm in the red. Like I said, you guys can see the figures or whatever. You can see. I got one stock of it. I need to buy another one, but it's red. I'm losing money, so don't follow me. Don't do what I do. This isn't advice, none of that. I'm just telling you guys, I think it'll be dope every time YouTube pays me for making videos about the Chrysler 300, I turn around and buy some Chrysler 300 stock. You know, because pretty much the majority of the videos and the majority of the reason why you guys click on the video and like the focus is out right now, I'm clicking on it and it's not clicking. It's not, it's getting worse. This camera sucks, man, but it was $800. So anytime YouTube pays me or it tells me like every day I'm so far, and I appreciate you guys, man, getting me monetized. If you guys want me to make a video on how I got monetized, what I needed to do, what happened, the process, all that, you know, people, I hold up the envelope from Google. If you guys want to see that, you know, or what my first, you know, all that subscriber, 1,000 subscriber, what all that type of stuff, man, let me know, comment down below, and also like this video, man, and I'll definitely make a video of that because it'll probably get a lot of views and it's not a lot of work, man. I'll talk about the analytics all the time anyway. So if you guys want me to make a video just showing you all the little back end stuff and what happened and process and all that, I'll definitely do that, man. Just like the video, 100 likes in this video and I'll do it. That's the reason to get this video, trying to make this video more popular. So I need the engagement. So comment down below as well. Like the video. If you subscribe, stay subscribed. Do not unsubscribe. Stay subscribed and tell your friend to subscribe so we can get this video more popular, because we done with the stock, man. I told you guys why I got the stock. I told you all that, whatever. A lot of people probably already clicked out. So if you're still watching the video right now, I appreciate you. But this is for you. I want you guys to know, man, I created this thing, the 300 Directory. It's a website, the300directory.com. I'm going to build it out. It's going to be categorized by state, hopefully cities if we get enough people to sign up, or, you know, just eventually, you know, enough members and all that type of, you know, whatever. But anyway, man, go there, give me your information, you know, just a little page or whatever, you'll see it. And what I'm going to do is, man, eventually I'm going to open the site up and I'm going to post all the people in all the states who have Chrysler 300s, man, put their contact information. Probably, I think it's just going to be Instagram, you know. So go there, the300directory.com. You sign up, you give me your information, man. You automatically enter for a giveaway. And the first person from each state is going to get a free key tag. So if you're the first person who signed up and nobody else from your state has signed up, I'm going to contact you and give you a free key tag, send it out to you. Also, if you sign, just for signing up on the site, you automatically enter to the next giveaway. I don't know what the giveaway is. I don't know if it's going to be this first YouTube check,